device you are watching this with will join the millions of tons of electronic waste discarded each year. E-waste is the fastest growing environmental challenge today. But what if electronic trash could become a treasure?
First thing is Orion. They approached me and they asked me to do a mega mural art installation, which actually unbelievable.
At Orion Mall, we are using creativity and innovation to turn e-waste into art.
Due to lack of awareness, households are not aware where to dispose their electronics in an environmental friendly manner. So I think now Orion has come up with a beautiful initiative
To inspire change, to reimagine the world and make the world a better place for future generations, where even e-waste can become a masterpiece. Rethink, recycle, reimagine.